Hello guys, this is my Powerbeats 3. I tried to turn them on 3 months ago but they didn't turn on, and I didn't use them for 3 months because they didn't turn on. I tried charging them but it didn't charge. So today I just searched on way for an hour, then I found this Beats website. Update the firmware of your Beats product. I link this in the description. You can download Beats updater from here. When you click this, it asks you something, then you update there, then it works properly. Look, it was at 10% before, now it's 97%, currently working properly. So yeah, if you don't believe, try it. Thank you guys.